Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Bobby's Backyard. Working on today is the Fiat. We are going to I'm going to wash it up, and I'm going to clay bar it, and then I'm going to ceramic coat it. So you're wondering what kind of product you want to use for ceramic coating? Well, one comes to mind today, and that is the sponsor of this video, Suma Detail with Suma ceramic coating. Comes in different sizes, 6 ounce, 8 ounce, I think, to spray on ceramic coating. So we're going to show this to you today. We'll be right back. All right, so let's talk a little bit of something about Suma Detail. You can achieve that instant shine, showroom quality, do it yourself at a fraction of the price. One coat lasts for about 6 months, but it is recommended for reapplying every 3 months to achieve full effect. But we will do a before and after, and you will see that. All right, let's see how this repels. It's supposed to repel dirt and dust and water. So let's check it out. Man, look at that. It's just staying on the other side, and you can tell right here's the line. Nice. I'm loving this product. This product is good. You see it right here, folks. Straight line right here, unprotected, protected with Suma Detail. Before and after. All right. Doesn't say anything about direct sunlight, but I recommend not doing it in the direct sunlight. I have off and on clouds today, so it's perfect. So let's spray some of this. Spray some of the Suma spray, ceramic spray. It's pretty easy. Just do a couple of sprays over here. Down, wipe it down. Go do this. This works at the nano level of the paint. Come around. Come around with another towel, wipe it off. Oh yeah, man, it's achieving that shine. I am liking this product already. All right, it is all done, finished, all ceramic coated with the new Suma detail spray coating. Yeah, this, wow, check out that shine. Heck yeah. So again, if you want to instantly achieve that new car shine with Suma professional grade ceramic coating, you can do it yourself for a fraction of the price. You can probably check them out on their website. I'll have a link down below. It does protect the paint at a nano level and repels dirt. One coat lasts up to 6 months, like I said, but it is recommended to apply it every 3 months and go from there. And like I said, I'll have a link down below for Suma Detail, Suma Performance. I want to thank them again for sponsoring this video. Hope to do more work with them. Alright, that's going to end today's Bobby's Backyard on the 2013 Fiat 500e with a new sponsor, Suma Detail. Please check them out. I have a link down below. Whew, I'm tired. Even though it was easy, still tiring. So until next time, please like, share, comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing down on the corner. Talk to you guys later.